Hello guys and welcome to another MK Mobile video. Guys, today we are opening equipment packs. I don't have the rare piece of Rain and MK11 Shansung maxed out, so my goal is to get one copy of those, or if I'm unlucky with one of them, I will be happy, I will be satisfied if I manage to pull two copies of either of them. So that's the plan. As you can tell, I have a lot of coins, but I don't wanna max these pieces by opening equipment packs because it will literally take ages. So without any further ado, let us jump straight into the pack opening.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me pain seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
proud that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business so humongous, you would think that happens in it. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in the way.
Okay guys, what's the bottom line? I spent 7 million coins, I wasted half an hour of my life, but I managed to pull one of each of those pieces and I'm kinda satisfied. Now what's the bottom line? If you wanna max out a piece, a specific rare piece, using equipment packs, let's say that on average it takes 5 million to pull one copy. This basically means that you need something about 50 million coins in order to do that. Is it worth? Definitely no. Of course, depends on the piece. I would say, for example, that Scarlet's Vial of Blood is worth, but it will take you a long time until you have 50 million spare coins in this game, especially if you have just started playing. I would say that it will be much easier to max out the Rathammer. In 7 million coins, I put like 3 or 4 Rathammers, so you can say that in about 20 million of the yellow currency, you can max out the Rathammer, and it is pretty good piece of equipment. Don't forget that in the process you're going to get a lot of fusions of the other equipments as well, and that is always great. Okay guys, this is going to be all from me for today. See you next time. Take care and stay safe.
Perfect.